Hi children, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT teacher. How are you children? Hope you all are fine and safe. Children, today we can start our fifth chapter, formatting in Microsoft Word. So in our previous classes, we have learnt about Microsoft Word. And in this lesson, we are going to learn about font tools, alignment tools, and also how to put borders and bullet points. Children, let's start with the term formatting. So, what does it mean? It means changing the appearance of our text document. Whatever text that we have entered in our document, that can be changed by some tools of Microsoft Word. So why we are formatting or making changes to our text? To make it more attractive. Children, can we format ourselves? Just think about it. And the answer is yes. And how? How can we format ourselves? Yes, by wearing nice clothes, then different kinds of nice accessories, and for girls we put makeup. And why we are doing these all things? To make us more beautiful, to make us more attractive. Isn't it, children? So that's how we are formatting ourselves. And like that, here we are going to format our text. Means the text that we typed using keyboard into our document. And how can we format these text? By using different tools available on Microsoft Word. And it will helps us to enhance the quality of our text presentation. Okay children, so let's start with font formatting. So what is font children? Font means design of the text. And formatting? Yes, improving the appearance of your text. So in Microsoft Word, there are many different font formatting tools. So let's see one by one. So here you can see these all are font formatting tools. The first one is changing font. So here you can see the font box, and when you click on the drop down arrow, you can see list of fonts. See here? Yes, and from that click on any desired font. So that after that when you type, the text will appear in that selected font. Even after typing your text, you can change the font. How? Yes, in our previous classes, we have already learned about selection. How to select a line, how to select a paragraph, like that. Okay, so after typing the text, just select all the text. So I have selected here by clicking Ctrl plus A. Then I have clicked on the drop down arrow of the font box and just selected the desired font. Okay, so here you can see my text appears in the selected font. Okay children, yes. And the next is changing font size, which means you can change your size of the font, size of the text. Okay, how? Here you can see the font size box. From that, click on the drop down arrow. Okay, so here you can see different size available and select your desired font size by clicking on it, so that the font size will be applied to your entire text. Okay children? Yes. And the next is changing font color. You can also change the font color. How? Yes, this is the option for changing font color, and when you click on the drop down arrow, you can see different colors. See, so I have selected one color and see my text appears in that color. Isn't it? Yes. So you can do it and learn. Okay children. The next is about text highlight color, and this option will highlight the text that you are typing. Okay, so here I have already typed a text. So I have selected my entire text using Ctrl plus A. After that I have clicked on this text highlight color icon. Here you can see. So when you click on it, drop bots will appear with many colors, and click on any desired color that you want to use. Okay, and after selecting the color, see, yes, my text is highlighted with that selected color. So children, you can apply these changes before or after entering your text. Okay children, if you want to do it before you enter your text, how can you do? Just select one by one, and after that you can type your text. Or else if you want to make changes to your typed text, which means after typing your text, what can you do? Just select the text to which you have to make changes. After that, select the desired tools. Okay, and the next tool is change case tool. Here you can see, and when you click on its drop down arrow, you can see different options. See, sentence case, which will capitalize first character of the sentence. Here you can see, when I selected the sentence case, the document will look like this. Okay, the next is lower case. It will make all characters of the sentence lowercase, just like this. See, then uppercase, it will capitalize all characters of the sentence, just like this. Here you can see. And the next option is capitalize each word, and it will capitalize the first character of each word in the sentence. So when I selected that, here you can see the changes. Okay children, and the next is toggle case. It will reverse the case of each character. Okay, see here, the case of each character is reversed. Okay children, that means whatever I typed in capital letters become small letters, and whatever I typed in small letters become capital letters. And the next tool is font style. That means you can change the style of your text to bold, italic and underline. How? Yes, here you can see the B button, which stands for bold. So when you click on it, after selecting the sentence, it will make your sentence bold. And when you click on the I button, here you can see, it will make your text appear in italics, just like this. Okay children, then the U button. The U button underlines the text that you have selected, just like this. Children, so these are the several font formatting tools in our Microsoft Word. Try to do it and learn. Children, there is an activity in page number 70. Okay, try to do it. That is to identify the font styles. My dear children, wishing you all a happy and safe Christmas with your family. That's all for today. Let's see in the next class. Till then, bye.